गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों। हाई कोर्ट एपीएस की अगली डिक्टेशन हाई कोर्ट जजमेंट है। देन स्पीड केवल 100 की रहेगी। देन गेट रेडी एंड स्टार्ट नाउ। Leave granted in petitions for special leave to appeal stop. Delay condoned in filing application for substitution in civil appeals arising out of petition for special leave to appeal within bracket civil bracket close number 9355 of 2007 and application for substitution is allowed stop. Heard Land Council on all sides stubborn para. A notification under Section 4 of the Land Acquisition Act was issued on 19/5/1992 notifying the proposal for acquiring of an extent of 504.27 acres of land in the revenue estates of Hisar, Stord Khurd and Satrot Khas in district Hisar stop. The public purpose put forward was the development and utilization of land as residential in sectors 9 and 11 by the Haryana Urban Development Authority stop on 18/5/1993, a declaration under section 6 of the Land Acquisition Act was made stop. The area in respect of which the declaration was made was of 478.44 acres stop and para. The land acquisition collector passed an award on 17/5/1995 adjudicating the compensation payable to the land owners at rupees 3 lakhs per acre stop on a claim for enhancement by various claimants, the reference code enhanced the composition of rupees 235 per square yard for the lands in the revenue estate of Hisar and to rupees 135 per square yard in revenue estates of Satrot Khurd and Satrot Khas stop. The reference code found that the lands were agricultural lands and were being used for agricultural purposes stop, but still it found that the acquired land were within the municipal limits of the town, and it took note of the potentialities of the lands with reference to its location, its lie, and the potentialities in view of the ability of the civic amenities stop. In other words, all the relevant aspects were taken into consideration by the reference court while fixing the land value at rupees 235 per square yard for the land in the revenue estate of Hisar and at rupees 135 per square yard for the lands in revenue estates of Satrot Khurd and Satrot Khas stop and para. The state, as well as the claimants appealed against this award. According to the state, the lands being agricultural lands, the enhancement awarded was exorbitant, and the rate per square yard accepted was too high. Stop. No cause for such enhancement had been made out by the claimants. Stop. According to the claimants, the land value should have been awarded at a higher rate, and even going by the valuation adopted by the reference code, something more than rupees 235 per square yard should have been awarded. Stop. As far as the lands situate in Satrod Khurd and Satrod Khas were concerned, it was contended that there was no justification in adopting the same rate as land value for them as for the lands in State Hisar and the fixing of the compensation at rupees 135 per square yard for those lands was unjustified. Stop the learned single judge of the High Court dismissed the appeals by the state. Stop. He also found in the appeals by the claimants in respect of lands in State Hisar, that the land value of rupees 235 per square yard for the lands comprised therein was correct and called for no interference. Stop. Thank you.